up, guys? Today I'm be playing Pixel Car Racer. As you can see, I've got my two cars. Sheesh! I got the Rally Subi, and we got the Tuna Boy. So yeah, we have that. And today we'll be taking the Subaru out for a drive, and then we'll be racing the Toyota Chaser, and then we'll race the Subaru Impreza. Look, so gay. I love automatic, and look how quick this is. Watch. If you guys haven't seen my other Pixel Car Racer videos, please check them out. You'll see me building my Subaru, which is this car right here. So gay. I'm gonna block him. Yo, I blocked. Oh! Yo, that was karma for me. But anyways, let's redo that again because I really need some. Because I need like a couple good parts. For the car. I wasn't ready. Okay. Whoa. Togi. It's a Japanese thing where, well, it's not like this kind of, it's a different kind of toge. This one is like racing. Merge. Look how fast that is. I've got 23 PSI on me right now. I'll show you the specs that I have on my car right now. So yeah. So the specs I have on my car are these. I've got the 1J. Wait. Let me do something. Yeah, okay. So I've got the 1JZ. I've got the BBX R2. I've got the well, I was planning to sell this because I packed too much horsepower. So it wouldn't do the burnout, so I regret doing that to my car. Okay, so get this. Bro, I got 700k on me. But anyways, hopefully we'll get that back soon. So I've got the 200 shot, the NOS 200 shot, and I've got the Ready T1E. I've got the VX Performance, but in this color. I've got these advanced drag slicks. But you know, I really like the gold advance, so we'll sell that. I mean, they're not. Okay, gold. There we go. But anyways, it's really grippy. So we got that. No, this one. There. I've got the Trembo slotted, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some new brakes. I don't want to go like too crazy on this, but I think I'll add this. By the way, I've just got heaps of money on me right now, so it's not that big of a deal. But hopefully I'll be able to grind some more. So I've got the 326 racing and the gold advance. I've got the, I don't have an exhaust for this thing. I've got a VX gold. And I've got I've got the VX Titan. Super good. And I've got this VX race. Pretty good. And I was planning to use that, but it doesn't work. So I'm gonna sell that. Now, where did I get that from? I think it's the intake. I think it's for muscle cars, I think. And I need a new exhaust. So, I think I would recommend you don't want to go too crazy on it. So, get the Flow Dual Cat. I think that would work for my car. Hopefully it does. Boom, we got that. Look how much horsepower that's got! Hey yo! And we've got this VX race. I don't have an intake for that just yet, but we'll do that later on. And I've got the stars. I think they cost about like 93k. I don't have a flare, but I've got the rally wing. I've got the Pride Pro with the yellow cage. The VX lip front and the VX lip on the side. I've got stock paint as well, which matches the theme perfectly. But anyways, it's like Colin McRae. Anyways, yeah. Also sorry about the background noises. Once again. Alright. I've got this. It's really good for highway. If you want to copy my specs, just go for it. You don't have to do the stars because I think that'd be a waste of money. It's just a livery, but I think it really looks good on my car. It just matches Subaru's heritage. But I don't think green like matches with the... Oh, I'm catching... See, look how quick I can catch him. And I'm like really quick. See, this car is really... Yo. Nah. Chill. The Subaru has to chill. Look at it. I'm going past a 0. Yo, imagine if it... Nah. This can't be happening. This can't be happening. Imagine if I hit 400. But I had to pack like much more horsepower. Yo! I'll just wait till it breaks. Wait. Okay, there we go. Hopefully I get a crate in this video. Or maybe in part 2. I'll get some new brakes. Oh, they're limited. So I'll get that one. But we don't need that because we want to get a good brake. So I think this would look good on it. Hopefully if it's not a good part and we can just easily like sell it. So yeah. We need this. And there we go, that fits. And then on this one we'll get this brake fixed with the 326 racing. I'll look some more better. Also we'll do some races with this thing. This is my second car. I don't think I'd be... Oh, hopefully I'll be able to, what's it called? Hopefully I'll be able to, get like a fleet of Subarus. So I think that would match my theme. Ready? Come on. Bro, are you serious right now? And we don't have an exhaust for both of the cars. I mean, for the Chaser, I believe. I don't think I have an exhaust for that, so I guess we'll get a new exhaust for it, but I don't want to go too crazy. Yeah, I only have that. So. Max power squares. And we don't have an intake for both the cars. And I don't have a I think it's called an intercooler. Yeah, intercooler. So I'll get the one that's not expensive, so I'll get that. And we need a intake for both of the cars. Which honeycomb? I'll just get 2 of these. Do we have any? I think I'll get some new rims for this. And those look good. Let's see how these look. Oh, that looks way better. And we need to put in the intake. There you go. I will need to do the same for the Subaru. So if you guys have enough money and want to... What the... Okay. But if you guys want to copy my specs, go ahead. For the Chaser, I have got the 1JZ. These sleepers. The 200 shot, the NOS. And I've got the... Why do I still have this? I've got this, the VXT56. Got the VX Performance in yellow. I've got the Max Power Squares, the VXR Type, the VX Forge Plus. I don't have a ECU, and I've got the honeycomb. And for the, I don't have a body kit for this, but I've got the VX Duck and the Community LE25. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in part 2. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the